what the hell? No.
The reason I think Jigsaw's an icon is because he's not a slasher. He doesn't kill. He doesn't run around through forest. He's not getting a girl in the shower. He's not doing where everyone's screaming at the theater. He's behind, and he's actually a real thinker. He's an engineer. When you're talking about Jigsaw and you're talking about John Kramer, is he the protagonist? Is he the antagonist? When you're talking about in real film structure, is he the hero or is he the villain?
You deny culpability, no doubt, for the circumstances in which you find yourselves. Salvation can be yours. An offering of blood will set you free. I want to play a game.
From the very beginning, John Kramer is a magician. And what you see is not always what you get. It's right there in front of you, but then it's gone. And I think, I've been in all the films, and I still am fascinated by the way they use time to make the story more intricate in a certain way.
The blood under the fingernails of our victim, John Kramer, the Jigsaw killer.
That's impossible.
Which one would you choose?